Hello everybody, Sorin here. Welcome to our next lecture from our course on social media images. And in this lecture we will talk about the structure of this course and exactly which are the topics that we will cover and which are the tools that you will see and what you will actually learn in this course. So first of all, in the first part of the course you will see tools that will help you create, resize and enhance your images for social media. That means that you will use your own images, for example, maybe a photo of yourself to create a profile image, or something that you want to post on your wall on Facebook, or something that you want to tweet on Twitter, or if you want to use maybe as a brand or a profile photo or cover photo for your LinkedIn profile. So we will actually use more some of your own images to create them, to resize them to the proper sizes, so that that your audience sees them correctly, and to enhance them for using them on your social accounts. Now in the second part we will see tools, and you will actually learn about tools that allow you to use templates, different backgrounds and graphics to create more professional looking images. You will see that we have a couple of very good alternatives online that you can fastly use, have proven to convert templates, different types of graphics, icons and backgrounds that will create amazing images for your social media accounts. Then in the third part we will talk about tools that allow you to create viral images like quotes images. I think that everybody has seen that lately there are a lot of there is like a trend, okay, in using viral images with quotes. And for example, if you are in the personal development niche, if you are a trainer, if you are a coach, this can be very helpful. Also, if you are in network marketing, these are just a couple of examples of businesses or jobs, okay, in which you can be involved, and in which this type of tools can help you a lot, because people are into this type of images, and this can create virality for your brand and for your business, and that means more exposure and overall more revenue for your business. And in the fourth part, obviously, we'll talk about other tools that can be very interesting for your image creation, okay, different tools that you can use. And also in time I will add more lectures to this course. I will update the course, and I will also add bonus lectures for you guys, surprises that I know you will love along the way. Thank you for your attention. You know that you are awesome. I will see you guys in the next lecture. I send you my best wishes. Till then, Sorin here. Bye bye.